Here is a towing chart for the 2017 to 2019 Ford Escapes. And as you can see on the right-hand side, we have the maximum loaded trailer weight. To the left of that, the gross combined weight ratings, and then the gear ratios, and then finally the engine. So on the first column, the 2.5 liter engine, we had 5,351 pounds for the gross combined weight rating and a maximum trailer towing capacity of 1,500 pounds. And then we move on down to the 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, and the front wheel drive model had a gross combined weight rating of 5,862 pounds, and then the four wheel drive model had a gross combined weight rating of 6,005 pounds, but they both had the same 2,000 pound maximum trailer towing capacity. And then that leaves us with the 2 liter EcoBoost engine, which had a gross combined weight rating of 7,457 pounds for the front wheel drive model and 7,591 pounds for the four wheel drive model. And that had a 3,500 pound maximum trailer weight capacity. And one thing to note is there are on the 2.5 liter and 1.5 liter, there are little notes for the number 1. And all that means is that the towing accessories are not factory installed, not standard. You will have to get those as a dealer accessory, which means more money and an add-on essentially. The 2 liter EcoBoost engine has a different little note there, the number 2, which will require a class 2 trailer towing package, which I assume is an additional cost as well, but it is a different type of package.